Welcome all. This is our first video in the algebra series, and it is about identity and equation. This is very important concept, and students are sometimes also confused. Let us first consider some identity. The identities are also called identical equations. It is x square minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. This is one identity. That is having one variable x, and that is an identity. In an identity, for any value of x, the left hand side and the right hand side will be the same. For example, if x is equal to 0, then let us put it here. So it is 0 square minus 1. So the left hand side is minus 1, and in the right hand side it will be 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1, minus 1 into 1, that is equal to minus 1. So left hand side and right hand side are the same. Let us take another value, x is equal to 1. So it will be 1 square minus 1. So in the left hand side it is 0. In the right hand side 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. This is 2, but this is 1 minus 1 1. Oh sorry, 1 minus 1 is 0. So it is equal to, that is 0. So left hand side and right hand side value are the same. And you can take other values. So x is equal to 10. Put it here, 10 square minus 1, that is equal to 99 in the left hand side. In the right hand side, how much it will be? 10 minus 1 into 10 plus 1. So this is 9 into 11, that is equal to 99. You can see that for x is equal to 10 also, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So for a identity, for any value of x, the left hand side will always be equal to the right hand side. You can take x is equal to minus 2, minus 3, anything, 100, minus 100, anything. And what is equation? Let us consider one similar statement. That is, suppose it is 4x minus 2 is equal to 2x plus 4. This is one statement, and variable is the x. Let us put some values and we will see whether it is similar to identity. The left hand side and the right hand side are same or not. Let us see first. X is equal to 0. So it will be 4 into 0 minus 2, that is equal to minus 2. In the right hand side it is 2 into 0 plus 4, that is equal to 4. So left hand side and right hand side, they are not the same. For x is equal to 1, similarly 4 into 1 minus 2. So this is 4 minus 2, 2. In the right hand side it is 2 into 1 plus 4, that is equal to how much? It is 6. So you can see that left hand side and right hand side are not the same. For a particular value only, the left hand side and the right hand side will be same. Suppose we will take another value, x is equal to 3. You can see it here, 4 into 3 minus 2, that is equal to 12 minus 2, that is 10 in the left hand side. In the right hand side it will be 2 into 3 plus 4, that is equal to 6 plus 4, that is equal to 10. So here for x is equal to 3, left hand side and right hand side are the same. For other values it is not the same. For you can take x is equal to 10, 12, anything, minus 1, minus 2, you will always find that these two sides are not the same. So for a equation, the equality is valid only for a particular value of x. Here it is, this x is equal to 3, and it is called the solution of this equation. The solution is also called the root of the equation. Let us now learn something about the equation. This is one equation, 3x minus 2 is equal to x plus 4. This is one equation. The equation is composed of two expressions. This is the left hand side expression, this is the right hand side expression, and in the middle there is equality sign. So this expression is equal to this expression. The expression, you can see they are composed of terms. This is called one term, this is another term, This is in the right hand side. Similarly, these are the terms, and x is the variable here. We have to find the value of x. So okay, so this equation is called a linear equation or a equation of degree 1. This is the equation of degree 1, or we can call it linear equation. Linear equation because in the plane there are straight lines. In the xy coordinate system there are straight lines. That's why it is called the linear equation. So there are other equations like 3x square plus 2x is equal to 3. This is the equation of degree 2. Degree is the maximum power of x. Here the maximum power of x is 2. So it is the equation of degree 2. This is the equation of degree 1 because the maximum power is 1. Similarly, this equation also called as the quadratic equation. Okay, quadratic equation that we will learn later. And suppose there is one equation like 4x cubed plus 3x is equal to 2x square, like this. And here the maximum power of x is the variable, maximum power of the variable is 3. So it is a equation of degree 3. Okay, it can also be called as cubic equation. Similarly, other equation, there are also equations like a transcendental equation and exponential logarithmic equations. Those we will learn later. Now we will concentrate on this linear equation. Now how to solve this equation? Learn this 3x minus 2 is equal to x plus 4. How to solve this equation? You should note down that a equation which is balanced, you can add any quantity to the left side and to the right side, it will again remain balanced. Suppose this is 3x minus 2 plus a. In the right also we can add a. So this will be balanced. Same thing is added to both the sides. You can subtract it minus a, then the equation will remain same, or we can multiply it with something, or we can divide it with something, but the in the denominator it should not be 0. Okay, so we will perform this operation and reduce this equation to such a form that all the terms containing x, variable x, those terms will be in the left hand side and the other terms will be right hand side. How to do this? Let us now solve this equation. 3x minus 2 is equal to x plus 4. So we have to transpose this, take this to the right, or we can say transpose this value to the right and this x to the left. What we can do, first let us take this term to the left hand side. So now let us subtract minus x on both sides. So it will be 3x minus 2 minus x is equal to x plus 4 minus x. Now this x minus x will cancel, that's why we have subtracted. So in the left hand side it will be 3x minus x minus 2 is equal to 4. Now we will take this minus 2, or we have to cancel out this so that there will be no constant term in the left hand side. To do this we have to add plus 2 on both sides. So it will be 3x minus 2 is 2x and minus 2, so we have to add plus 2. In the right hand side also we have to add, because the equation should be balanced. What we had done here, minus x was subtracted in both sides, here we have to add. So it will be 2x minus 2 plus 2 will cancel, 2x is equal to 6. Now what we have to do, we have to find the value of x. To find the value of x we have to divide it by 2. So 2x divided by 2 is equal to, in the right hand side also we have to divide it by 2. So 2 we cancel, so x is equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. Now this is the solution of this equation. For this equation it is the solution, or it is also called the root of the equation. Now you can put this value of 3 here you can see that left hand side will be equal to the right hand side, or we can say that this value of x satisfies the equation. Let us see 3 into, it is 3 into 3 minus 2, that is equal to 9 minus 2 7, that is left hand side. In the right hand side it will be in place of x we'll put 3 plus 4, that is equal to 7. So you can see that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this satisfies the equation. This is the solution. Now we can also consider more examples, but before going to more example, we'll find some way what we have done here, that will illustrate how to do it more quickly. What we are doing here, adding the same thing in both sides or subtracting on both sides, that what actually we are doing, we can do it easily by what we can do, we will take this x to the left side. So here it is positive, when it is going to the other side, then it will be the minus x. Or we can say that when the quantities change the side, or the terms change the side, their sign will be when the quantities change the side, their sign will be changed. Okay, here it was positive, when it will go to the left it will become minus. So 3x will be minus x, that is equal to, in the left hand side it was minus 2, when it will be brought to the right hand side it will be plus 2, will be 4 plus 2. Our purpose was that to bring all the terms containing x to the left hand side and all the constant terms to the right hand side, that we have done here. So it will be 2x is equal to 6. Now x is equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. You can see that our step has been reduced very much, only 2-3 steps are there. Here we had so many steps, 6-7 steps are there. So what we have done, whatever equation is there, we will take all the terms containing x to the left hand side and all other constant terms to the right hand side, and by doing so, what we will do, when the terms changes the side, their signs will change. Something that was positive in the right hand side, when that will go to the left, that will be negative, and something that was negative will become positive, and positive in the left, when go to the right, that will be negative, and negative will be positive, like that. So in this way we can easily solve the problem, and we'll consider more problems later. For now that's all. We'll meet next time.